So we had a clear night. We had -4 degrees. Take a look at the big blue blanket they sprayed in. Look at these puffs here. It's cut off like a line. Take a look back here. They have to regroup. They had an orgy last night, probably, due to the 13th of April. Yesterday was the 12th of April, which was a 1, 2, 3 in Gematria. I noticed this last year. There were a couple of 1, 2, 3 days, or the year before, I don't remember. And look at this. And the 1, 2, 3 days, it's almost like a countdown backwards, of course. And they like to make use of the gematria for their orgies and their sacrifice. They sacrifice humans alive, and they also sacrifice animals alive. Take a look at this pole here, this antenna, generating heat for the glow ball. Take a look at this. This alchemical crap is sprayed in the sky, and these antennas distribute the small dust of Egypt. Alchemy is an ancient science. Look at this. You think that's normal? You think that's a cloud? Are you kidding me? It's interesting how people don't care about this. I don't know. They don't think it's real. They don't think it affects them. They don't think it has anything to do with them. Look at this thing shredding in the sky. It's falling down. It's not moving. It's moving down. It's not moving side to side like a cloud should do on the wind. Oftentimes you'll see several layers having been sprayed, and one layer looks like paste stuck to the sky, and that layer does not move. And the layers underneath it sometimes even move in conflicting opposite directions. People are not seeing what's happening. It's being done to you. It's being done to me. It's not just that I'm having fun just showing this. You know, take a look at this steam rising from the canal. This is fog. It's fake. Take a look here. This is matching exactly what's being sprayed in the sky. And now take a look at all this fog here. This fog creates heat. We had -4. It'll probably go up to God knows how warm today. I think that the weather system, so-called, culminated with this, and it's going to get higher now until it crashes again. They seem also to not only go by gematria, but also by the moon, full moon. That's why the weather, so-called weather, changes all the time. We used to have weather systems. You'd have a same weather pattern and system for weeks, and then it would change. You didn't have a clear night and then a fake clouds during the day, and then the clouds all of a sudden disappear, and then you have rain, and then you have snow, and then you have sun. You had stable systems, or unstable, but they were still system. Look at this pink in the sky here and the blue. You think that's normal? No. This has all been sprayed in order to get heat. Take a look at this. It's been sprayed in by this chimney here. It's a furnace. It's a furnace. Look at that. You cannot deny it. So why do people deny it? Why don't people care? I do not know. This is hideous. This is unbelievably treacherous. It is a crime against mankind and against nature, and it is a fist in the face of the Almighty God. And why people will not see it, I do not know. Or people see it and they say they're making it colder. No, they are not making it colder. They're creating hell on earth for the man of sin. This is air liquide here. This is air liquide. These are the people responsible for the liquid gas, liquid air, air liquide. And it's right on the railway. It's right on the Autobahn. The railway is behind it. It's at the subway, I should say. And then you've got the nuclear power plant, the alchemical power plant, just a stone's throw away. You think that's coincidence? There's a police department. They are revamping it. Probably they're going to convert it into a hospital, so that when you go to the police department, you get electroshock treatments and God knows what. This is all my opinion. That's my disclaimer. It is my opinion. I do not know for sure, But if you connect the dots, you can come up with the truth. If you have the truth in you, if you want to know the truth. Somebody, look at this vortex here. These clouds are sprayed in like a V shape under the dome. Why? Take a look here. You can see the line's been sprayed. They all culminate in this fulcrum of a vortex. And beyond that, you look at this. Looks like a skeleton up there. Blue and white. Clouds are not blue. Clouds are not black. Please wake up.